Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser Professional for teeth, gums, braces, dental care. Looking for a convenient and effective way to improve your oral hygiene? Look no further than the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser Professional. This powerful flosser uses water to clean deep between teeth and below the gum line, removing harmful bacteria and debris that traditional brushing and flossing can't reach. Whether you have braces, implants, or sensitive gums, the Waterpik Aquarius can help keep your mouth clean and healthy. It features 10 pressure settings, a timer, and a variety of tips to customize your flossing experience. Plus, it's easy to use and takes just a minute a day to improve your oral health. With over 50 years of experience, Waterpik is a trusted name in dental care. And with the Aquarius Water Flosser Professional, you can enjoy all the benefits of a professional cleaning from the comfort of your own home. So if you purchase the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser Professional, hurry, click link in my description.